Welcome to DelphiTube from Qasim Shahzad. Today we will learn how to move components at runtime in Delphi. This will help us to provide this feature to our end users, and allowing a user to move components on a form at runtime can provide several benefits. For example, it allows users to customize the layout of the application to suit their preferences. This can improve user satisfaction and make the application more enjoyable to use. It can improve accessibility by allowing users to arrange components in a way that is most comfortable for them. For example, users with certain physical disabilities might find it easier to interact with the application if they can move buttons closer to the edge of the screen. Similarly, it can make the application more adaptable to different use cases or workflows. For example, in a graphic design application, allowing users to move tools around can help them optimize their workflow by placing the most frequently used tools in more accessible locations. Similarly, it can help with better utilization of screen space, especially on devices with smaller screens. Users can rearrange components to fit more information on the screen or to reduce clutter. Finally, as a developer, learning new things are enjoyable, so we will learn this together. We will learn many things related to this topic in several videos. For example, in our video, we will write moving codes inside the main form, and then we might create new FireMonkey FMX movable component, and then we move the moving code to a different unit by converting it into a class. And in last part, we will learn how to make many or all components movable with only 3 lines of code. I hope you enjoy this learning. Let us start.